Hey guys, okay, so today in math we're going to kind of take a step back into time and talk about story problems with addition up to 20. So I have a problem on the board and then we're going to use some of our strategies that we've learned these past few days to solve it. So first of all, I'm going to read the problem. Sue has 6 cats. She also has 7 dogs. How many pets does Sue have in all? I need to get a different colored marker so I can pull out the important information. So the first thing that I see that's important is these numbers. Oh, I don't know if you guys can see that color. Hopefully my markers aren't dried out. Okay. 6. She has 6 cats. She has 7 dogs. When I look down here, the question says, how many pets does Sue have in all? So it doesn't matter if they're cats or dogs. So I'm not going to circle that as important information because really they're just wanting to know how many pets there are all together. So the strategy I'm going to use to solve this is make a 10 to add. That's what we learned the other day. So here we go. Now, I know I have six cats and 7 dogs. So my addition, and it's addition because in all, 6 plus 7. So I am going to use my 10 frames and I am going to put 6 up top. 1, 2, actually, I'm going to switch this around. I want to start with the bigger number. It's just easier to kind of get a feel for it. So 7 plus 6. Okay. So I'm going to put 7 up at top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's my 7 dogs. Now I'm going to put up 6 cats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cats. Okay, so remember, we are going to split up the smaller number. When we make a 10 to add, we're going to split up the smaller number. So what I'm going to do is, oh my gosh. Okay, I'm going to move my cats up to fill in my 10 frame with my dogs because remember, we just want to know how many pets there are all together. So I moved 3 cats and I have 3 left over. Remember, 7 plus 3 equals 10, right? So here's my group of 10, okay? So this is where it gets easy because I have one group of 10. How many do I have left over? 3. Because remember, I added the 7 and the 3. So if I have one group of 10 and 3 left over, my answer is 13. She has 13 pets. Okay, let's try another one. I'm going to hit pause, and when I come back, there'll be another problem up here. Okay, so here's our other problem. This one's going to be a little bit more challenging. There are 15 black cats and 4 brown cats. How many cats are there in all? So again, let's pull out our important information. Let's look at these numbers. 15 black cats, 4 brown cats, and the question is, how many cats are there in all? Which means we are going to be adding. So I don't need to know what color of cats they are because we are adding them all together. So my addition problem is going to look like this. 15 plus 4. Now, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to put up my 15 black cats first. Now remember, this is why I have 2 10 frames because it's probably going to take them. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, so remember, this is what I do. I'm going to break apart my 15 because the number 15 has one group of 10 and 5 extra ones. So now I know that I have one group of 10. All I need to do now is add my ones together. So I have 5. I'm going to put my 4 brown cats up here. 2, 3, 4. So what is 5 plus 4? It's 9. Okay, so I have my group of 10, and I have 9 extra ones, and that gives me the number 19. So the answer is 19 cats all together. Okay, boys and girls, so today for Seesaw, you're going to be using the 10 frames and the make a 10 then add strategy to solve these problems.